Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, SeguTube. Here's a detailed explaining how a lunar moon eclipse is formed. It includes a hook, explanation, scientific detail, and ending call to action, ideal for an educational or science channel. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and seen the moon suddenly disappear or turn blood red? That magical, almost eerie transformation is called a lunar eclipse, and it's one of the most awe-inspiring events in our sky. But what exactly causes this cosmic event? Today, we're diving deep into the science behind lunar eclipses. Grab a seat and let's explore the shadowy dance of the Earth, Moon, and Sun. What is a lunar eclipse? A lunar eclipse happens when the Earth comes directly between the Sun and the Moon, casting a shadow on the Moon. This only occurs during a full moon, when the Moon is on the opposite side of the Earth from the Sun. But lunar eclipses don't happen every full moon. Why? Because the Moon's orbit is tilted about 5 degrees compared to the Earth's orbit around the Sun. Most of the time, the Moon passes slightly above or below the Earth's shadow. Only when everything aligns just right do we get an eclipse. Two types of lunar eclipses. There are 3 main types of lunar eclipses, and each creates a different visual effect in the sky. Penumbral eclipse. This is the most subtle type. The Moon passes through Earth's penumbra, the outer part of the shadow. You might see the Moon darken slightly, but it's often hard to notice with the naked eye. Partial lunar eclipse. Part of the Moon enters Earth's umbra, the darkest part of the shadow. A bite-like shadow appears across the Moon's surface. Total lunar eclipse. This is the showstopper. The entire Moon moves into the Earth's umbra, often turning a deep red or copper color. That's why it's sometimes called a blood moon. 3. Why does the Moon turn red? During a total lunar eclipse, you might expect the Moon to go completely dark. But instead, it often glows red or orange. Why? This happens due to Rayleigh scattering, the same effect that makes our sunsets and sunrises red. As sunlight passes through Earth's atmosphere, the shorter blue wavelengths scatter away, while the longer red wavelengths are bent and filtered through the atmosphere. So even though the Earth blocks direct sunlight, some of that reddish light curves around the Earth and reaches the Moon, giving it that glowing blood-red appearance. 4. When and how often do lunar eclipses happen? Lunar eclipses don't happen every month because of the Moon's tilted orbit. But they are still fairly common, with at least 2 lunar eclipses occurring somewhere on Earth each year. Some years may even have 3 or more. And unlike solar eclipses, which are visible only in narrow paths, lunar eclipses are visible to anyone on the night side of Earth when the eclipse happens. That means millions of people can witness them at once. No special glasses required. 5 fun facts and history. Here are some cool lunar eclipse facts you might not know. Ancient civilizations feared eclipses, believing they were omens or messages from the gods. The longest possible total lunar eclipse can last up to 1 hour and 40 minutes. Christopher Columbus once used his knowledge of a lunar eclipse to scare Caribbean natives and gain control during his 4th voyage. And guess what? A lunar eclipse helped prove Einstein's theory of relativity by allowing scientists to better observe how gravity affects light. The next time you see the Moon slowly disappearing or turning red in the sky, you'll know you're witnessing a beautiful, predictable, and deeply scientific event. A lunar eclipse is a stunning reminder of how the Earth, Sun, and Moon are constantly dancing in space. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the wonders of the universe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future cosmic explorations. Thank you.